The Mashpee National Wildlife Refuge is a national wildlife refuge in the state of Massachusetts. Established in 1995, it is administered by the Eastern Massachusetts National Wildlife Complex. The refuge includes a surface area of 537.12 acres, 2.1736 square kilometers, managed by U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. The refuge encompasses a total of 5,971 acres, 24.16 square kilometers, as established by the United States Congress. Salt marshes, cranberry bogs, Atlantic white cedar swamps, freshwater marshes, and a vernal pool provide habitat for wildlife such as migratory waterfowl, songbirds, shorebirds, raptors, red fox, and white-tailed deer. The refuge staff is studying the endangered New England cottontail, NEC, rabbit at the refuge. Biologists and volunteers are conducting surveys of rabbits and collection of scat to determine the NEC activity. Prescribed burns of forests within the refuge are used to foster habitat creation for the NEC. The refuge is managed by a unique partnership of 9 federal, state and private conservation groups, and supported by the Friends of Mashpee National Wildlife Refuge, Falmouth Rod and Gun Club, Massachusetts Division of Fisheries and Wildlife, Massachusetts Executive Office of Energy and Environmental Affairs, Orenda Wildlife Land Trust, Town of Falmouth Conservation Commission, Town of Mashpee Conservation Commission, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Wampanoag Indian Tribal Council, Mashpee Wampanoag Tribe, Wacoit Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve, Massachusetts Department of Conservation and Recreation. The Friends of Mashpee National Wildlife Refuge is a nonprofit organization which supports education, research, and stewardship projects within the Mashpee National Wildlife Refuge, MNWR. In 2019, the Friends Group published a history book about the MNWR, available for download from the website of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. See How We Got Here, the history of the Mashpee National Wildlife Refuge.